If you are a communicator, a business person, a coordinator, or a student, you need to master the art of data visualization. No more milling data from complex tables and boring graphs that don't communicate anything. Learn how to transform your data into powerful stories with the online course Data Visualization and Marketing Insights. You will learn to master the basic principles of data visualization and how to choose the right type of graph for each type of data. Create effective visualizations that communicate your ideas clearly and concisely, and all this with easy-to-use tools without needing to know any complicated programs. Transform data into viable insights, communicating a high volume of content in summarized data, making your audience have immediate understanding and helping to make smarter decisions. Don't waste time. To take this course, you only need internet access. The language is easy to understand and all classes have practical exercise. My name is Larissa Perfeito. I have been a university professor in communication since 2006, and I also teach postgraduate and technical courses in entrepreneurship and audiovisual productions. Let's transform data into stories that inspire and transform.